Fourth and the final heat of event number 54, 100-meter breaststroke elementary girls. Swimming on lane 1 from Las Piñas, Maranan. Lane 2, Ong San Juan. Lane 3, Beltran, Marikina. Lane 4, Gatino, Quezon City. Lane 5, Olivario, San Juan. Lane 6, Mina, Manila. Lane 7, Hante, Olivia, Manila. And Lane 8, Calianta of Montelupa.
Bababa na yun.
Egg? Egg? Oy, ready ka na.
Lauren! May order. Go!
Go! Go!
Lauren!
Go! 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 Walang kalaban!
Scoring!
Go!
Easy na. Eh, yung mga